If you would like to make a hotel reservation on booking.com, today's video I'm going to show you how exactly you can do it. First thing first, open your browser and at the top search bar type in booking.com. Once done, get logged into your account and then you will see a search bar icon. I have already searched for a place. You can go ahead and do the same as well. Once you search for a place, you will see various hotels that are near the area. If you like anyone, simply tap on this. Let's say this one. Tap onto its name. Make sure that you have read all these informations, how many rooms they provide, what are the amenities they are providing. Once you're satisfied, you can go ahead, tap on reserve for tomorrow, or simply tap edit and edit the date and time, the adults or children that will be presented, and then tap on check availability. Wait for this to load, and now you will see the summary, the check-in date, the checkout date, your total fee that you will be paying, and for that you will have to enter your information, your first and last legal name, email address, country, phone number. Fill out all this information, tap on to final step and follow the on-screen prompt in order to successfully make a hotel reservation.